Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this tutorial, we're going to go through the steps on how to update a dynamic header. So sometimes these hero sections or headers are just simply text modules with text in them that you can easily edit. But other times they may be actually pre-filling with the page title. And so this tutorial will cover what to do if you come across this kind of scenario. First, we're going to enable the visual builder, load up the page, and we're going to go ahead and hover over this module and click on the settings icon, and you can see that it is a text module. See, it says text settings here, and the page /archive title. So what that means is this is dynamically pre-filling with the page title, which, if you don't know what that means, if we were to go into the backend WordPress editor, it's pulling from this section right here. So that being said, if you want to edit the page title, there's a couple of ways of doing it. There's actually, and it won't be in this module. So one way is to click on the little purple button with the 3 horizontal white dots. Typically that's down at the bottom of the screen, unless you moved it somewhere else. And once you've done that, click on the settings icon right here. Then you can edit the page title. And let's suppose we want to just swap these. So it says summer and VBS. You can see now it's loading the dynamic header in. Now I can click the green check mark to save my changes, and now the title has indeed updated because it's being pulled from here. Now if you update it this way, it will also update on the back end. So if I refresh this page, it should actually update that as well. Now that brings me to, if we go back here, the other way that you can edit this is by going into the back end of the page editor. So you go to Pages and find your title. Now you can see it actually updated here because I updated it in the visual builder from the settings. But you can actually update it here. So you could go into Pages, find the page that you want to edit the title for, and then go here. Now the advantage of doing that this way is you can also update the permalink. So if you want the permalink to match, then you can edit this as well. Now the downside of editing the permalink, especially on a live website, is if you change it, you're going to want to make sure you put a redirect in, because if people have bookmarked or saved, or they have it in their cached history, the old link, and you change the link, then it's going to come up with a 404 error when people access the page. So, but that being said, this is a development website, so I went ahead and updated that permalink and clicked on the blue update button over here. So that's an alternate way of doing it, and that's how you can also update the actual link of the website to reflect the new title. And that, again, that is simply by going into Pages, finding the page that you want to edit, like so, and hover over it and click on edit, and then edit the page title here and edit the permalink in here. So that's all there is to it. That's how you can update the page. So we're going to do one more quick example, and then before we end the video. The other page that we want to edit here is the preschool summer camp in VBS. And if we click Enable Visual Builder, we can access it. Click on the settings icon under the global settings and make our edits here. Click the green check mark to save, and then of course publish the page. Or if we need to update it, we can go to the back end WordPress dashboard, click on Pages, and find that page, and then update it from there. So that's all there is to it. If you have an additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.